Assalomu alaykum hammaga. YouTube kanalimga xush kelibsiz. Bugungi darsimiz speakingdagi part 2 qismi. Okay, multi-level formatida darsimiz bo'lib o'tadi. So, let's start our lesson. Darsni boshlashdan avval har doim aytib ketaman, keep notes and try to understand. Agarda note qila olmasangiz, ya'ni yozib olishga imkoningiz bo'lmasa, unda har doimgidek Telegram kanalimdan PDF faylni topsangiz bo'ladi. Okay, if you're ready, we will start. Multi-leveldagi speaking part 2da bizga 1 daqiqa beriladi tayyorgarlik qilishga va 2 daqiqa beriladi speechga, ya'ni gapirish uchun sizda 2 daqiqa vaqt bor. Xo'p, 3 ta savol beriladi. So, 3 questions based on one topic. Demak, 3 ta savol bitta mavzuga oid bo'ladi. So, you should cover all 3 questions during 2 minutes. Demak, 2 daqiqa ichida siz 3 ta savolga ham javob berib o'tishingiz kerak. Xo'p, bitta rasm beriladi, demak one picture, but you shouldn't directly describe the picture. Demak, bitta rasm beriladi, lekin siz to'g'ridan-to'g'ri rasmni tasvirlab bermaysiz. So, you will not describe it. Okay, let's move on. Davom etamiz. Xo'p, qanaqa ko'rinishda bo'ladi? Ekranda ko'rib turibsiz, bu yerda rasmimiz bor, as you see, rasm berilgan va 3 ta savollar turibdi. Boya aytganimdek, rasm beriladi, lekin siz rasmni tasvirlab bermaysiz. Asosiy fokus savollarda. Rasm nimaga berilgan desangiz, rasm shunchaki imagination, fikrlashga, salgina g'oyalarga kelish uchun, tasavvur qilish uchun berilgan xolos. Lekin asosiy narsa bu yerda savollar, 3 ta savolga to'liq javob berishingiz. Xo'p, misol uchun bu yerdagi mavzuyimiz describe a book that left a strong impression on you. Sizda yaxshi hissiyot bilan qoldirgan kitobni gapirib bering. What kind of books can have a positive influence on people? Odamlarga yaxshi ta'sir o'tkazadigan kitoblarni gapirib bering. And how is reading a book different from watching movie? Aynan kino bilan farqi qanday deyapti, kitob bilan kinoni. Misol shunaqa kitoblar bo'ladi, kinoga oid farqi qanaqa deb so'rayapti. Okay. So, yaxshi savol berilgan, ko'rib turibsiz, 3 ta har xil savollar emas, hammasi ham bitta mavzuga oid. That's why bitta narsa esingizda bo'lsin, 3 ta savolni ham 2 daqiqa ichida gapirib o'tishimiz kerak. Xo'p, nimalarga e'tibor berishimiz kerak and how should we answer? Yaxshi javob bo'lishi uchun aynan high level B2, C1, C2 lik darajada yaxshi gapira olish uchun speakingda nimalarga e'tibor berishimiz kerak? Let me explain. Xo'p, birinchi narsa bu like the very first thing, good and concise start. Remember, it's really important. Bu nima degani? Uzoqdan speechni boshlaydi ko'pchilik, introduction qismida, aynan kirib kelish qismida, endi boshlayotganda uzoqdan olib keladi gapni. Xo'p, examinator may think that you misunderstood the question. O'sha paytda ekzaminator sizni eshitayotgan paytda o'ylashi mumkin, ha, bu menimcha savolni tushunmadi deb o'ylaydi. Lekin siz uzoqdan olib kelayotganingizni tushunmasdan ballingizni tushirib yuborishi mumkin boshidan. Okay? That's why keep it concise and how to say direct. So begin directly deb yozib qo'yganman. Misol uchun bu yerda mana ikki xil two ways of it. For example, people read books for many different reasons, like learning new things or relaxing after a long day. Ever since I was young, I've enjoyed picking up different kinds of books. Reading has always been a big part of my life. Bu yerda nima bo'lyapti? Bu yerda general information berilgan xolos. Shunchaki umumiy ma'lumot berilgan va shunchaki aytib ketyapti. Kitob o'qish foydali taraflari ko'p. Esimda yoshligimda kitob o'qishni juda ham yoqtirardim. Uzoqdan olib kelyapti. Savolimiz nima edi? Let's go back to the question. Describe a book that left a strong impression on you. Aynan kitobni nimaligini gapirmasdan uzoqdan olib kelyapti speechni. That's why it's a wrong way, okay? Avoid this way and how to say shu yo'lda ketmasligingizni tavsiya qilgan bo'lardim, chunki how to say it's not a good way. That's why whenever you start it directly. Tushunaman, 2 daqiqa vaqtimiz bor, cho'zib o'tirsak bo'lmaydimi? No. Cho'zib o'tirsangiz cho'zilib ketadi, chunki bu yerda bitta emas, 3 ta savolingiz bor. O'shaning uchun keep it brave. To'g'ri javobimiz qanaqa bo'lar edi? One book that left a strong impression on me is Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by J.K. Rowling. I was amazed by how quickly the story pulled me into its magical world. It made me feel excited and blah blah blah. As you see, answerimiz chiroyli chiqdi. Ana ekzaminator eshitayotgan paytda ham, ha, demak yoqtirgan, impress qilgan kitobi mana shu ekan degan fikr bo'ladi unda somehow va sizga yaxshi ball berishi mumkin. Okay? So, let's move on. Keyingi narsa develop your ideas. Three questions fully cover bo'lishi kerak. Describe qilayotganda adjectivelar iloji boricha ko'proq adjective qo'shishga harakat qiling. Develop qilib bering, examplelar bilan yoritib tashlang. Speechni o'shanda juda ham chiroyli chiqadi. Ba'zilar bor shunchaki gapiradi. For example, books can influence people in many ways. There are many kind of books, and different people like different things. So I think books are in general are good for people. That's very, very simple. So instead, what you can say, I think meaningful and inspiring novels can have a very positive influence on people. Ko'ryapsiz, adjective ishlatildi. For example, biz ulab ham ketyapmiz. Harry Potter shows important values like courage, loyalty, and friendship which many readers find motivating and comforting. Ko'ryapsiz, man juda ham ko'p specify qilib ketyapman nimaga Harry Potter yaxshiligini, faqatgina boshqa kitoblar emasda ulab ham ketyapman storyimga. Plus menda ko'proq bu yoqda adjectivelar ketyapti. Juda ham chiroyli speech chiqqan. Okay? Mana farqiga borsangiz bo'ladi. Nimaga part 2 da ko'pchilik yaxshi ball ololmasligi, aynan speakingda nimaga past chiqishini sababi ham shu. Aynan part 2 da yaxshigina ball olsangiz bo'ladi, speechingizni ko'rsatib iloji boricha. Okay, let's move on. Keyingi narsa, bu yoqda yana qo'shib ketaman. Yana qo'shimcha nimalar qilsa bo'ladi? Specific examplelar bersangiz bo'ladi. Personal o'zingizni hissiyotlaringiz, hayotingizdagi storyni gapirib bersangiz bo'ladi, o'shanga oid. The devil is in the detail degan ibora bor. Buni ma'nosi the details are very important degani. Ya'ni detallar juda ham muhim. Shunchaki, ha, mana shunaqa bo'ldi, mana bunaqa bo'ldi, bo'ldi. No, o'zi qanaqa holatda bo'lgan u? What was the story behind it? Like fully explain qilishga harakat qiling. Little storylar qo'shsangiz, qanaqadir hazil qilib gapirsangiz ham ancha zo'r chiqadi. Natural chiqishi kerak speech. So, for example, I think meaningful fiction books can have a strong positive influence. For example, when I read Harry Potter in middle school, mana storiesini gapirib beryapti. I remember staying up late with a small flashlight because I was so curious about what would happen next. I felt genuinely inspired by Harry's courage when he faced challenges, even though he was scared. That small experience made me believe that being brave doesn't mean you are not afraid. It means you keep going anyway. Books like this can really encourage people to develop qualities like kindness, loyalty, and resilience. Ko'ryapsiz, biz boyadagi ikkinchi savolimizga javob beryapmiz. Bog'lab ketib hayotimizdagi storyni. As you see, a very good sample. Judayam zo'r sample chiqqan. Aynan hamma narsani qo'shib ketilgan. So, let's move on. Keyingi narsa bu, okay, next thing is, how to say, connectors. Connectors degani bu bog'lovchi transition wordlar. Transition wordlarga biz masalan but, however, also, and so o'shalarni gapirib ketamiz, ya. Bunaqa transitionlar juda ham ko'p. Agar yana ko'proq kerak bo'lsa, ular haqida ma'lumot you can find on my Telegram channel. I will mention on the description. Yozib qo'yaman izohlarda. Telegram kanalidan topsangiz bo'ladi. Juda ham ko'p transition so'zlar bor. Transitionlar degani bu bog'lovchi so'zlar, aynan speechingizni juda ham smooth qilib beradi, juda ham bir-biriga ulab-ulab ketadi. Misol uchun mana A dan Bga, Bdan Cga. Endi qisqasi speechda siz silliq gapirishingiz juda ham muhimda. Aynan part 2 da chiroyli speech chiqishi kerak. That's why you need connectors. Qanaqa connectorlar bor? Misol uchun mana firstly, on the other hand, finally. Ko'pchilik ustozlar aytadi, writingdagi transitionlarni kamdan kam ishlating. Misol uchun for instance emasda o'rniga for example ishlating yoki however emasda but ishlating deydi. Endi nima desam, to'g'risi I'm not totally agree with that teachers. O'shaning uchun mani maslahatim joyi kelganda ishlatish kerak. Lekin haddan tashqari juda ham akademiklarni foydalanishni tavsiya qilmayman. Misol uchun furthermore, nevertheless bular qiyinlari. Speechda ishlatishinglarni maslahat bermayman, chunki birinchidan it's like hard and how to say mm, maslahat bermayman, it's like not good. It sounds like too academic, that's why. Lekin ba'zilarini ishlatsa bo'ladi. Masalan, for instance, joyi kelsa ishlating. However ishlatsa bo'ladi. Ko'pchilik yo writing ishlatilganini speakingga bo'lmaydi. Something like this. No, not always. Har doim ham emas. Misol uchun, furthermore o'rniga what is more, nevertheless o'rniga but anyway deb javob bersangiz bo'ladi. Hop, transitionlardan ham me'yorida foydalanish kerak. Mani maslahatim, like keep it in moderate. Misol uchun, har bitta gapingizni boshida transition bo'lmasin. Misol uchun, firstly, books are good. On the other hand, people read many books. Finally, Harry Potter is a famous book. On the one hand, it's interesting. Random transition wordlar bo'lmasin. Plus har bitta so'zingizni, gapingizni boshida transition qo'shib ketmang. It's like very bad. Juda ham ta'sir qiladi. Speechingizga xunuk eshitiladi. Me'yorida ishlatish kerak. Ikkita uchta gap orasida bitta transition bo'lsa, juda ham yaxshi chiqadi. Okay? Plus random transitionlardan foydalanmang. O'zini o'rni bor hammasini. Contrast transitionlar bor, connectorlar bor. Tushunyapsizmi? Cause and effectlar bor. O'shaning uchun to'g'ri foydalanish ham muhim ulardan. Va yana qaytarib o'taman, agar transitionlarning ro'yxati kerak bo'lsa, you can find on my Telegram channel. Hop, davom etamiz. Keyingi narsa, oxirgisi give a brave conclusion. Conclusion berish ham muhim, chunki speech is complete bo'lishi kerak. Complete deganda tugallangan, bitgan, oxirigacha ham speech bo'lishi kerak. Ba'zilar bor speakingga oxirida tugallanmasdan vaqti yetmay tugab qoladi, chala bo'lib qoladi. O'shaning uchun conclusion berganingiz har tomonlama yaxshi. How can we say? Oxirida shuncha narsani gapirib bo'ldingiz, gapingiz conclusion berayotganda you can say, so I think books that inspire us or teach us something important um, Oy, can really make a difference. They don't just tell a story, they can actually change the way we see the world, as you see. So, deb shuning uchun bunaqa bo'ladi deb general o'zimizni opinionimizni va conclusion beryapmiz. It's like very good. Hop, endi sample answer ko'ramiz sizlar bilan. Let's do this. Okay, let's see the sample answer. Sample answer deganda tayyor 2 minutlik speech. Shuncha narsani qo'shib, chiroyli qilib speech gapirib ketamiz. Boyadagi savolimiz, how to say, describe a book that left a great impression on you. O'zi qanaqa kitoblardan odamlar ilhomlanadi va ta'sir qiladi va movie bilan kitobni farqini aytishimiz kerak edi, importance. Okay, so let's start. One book that left a strong impression on me is Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by J.K. Rowling. I remember reading it when I was in middle school, staying up late with a small flashlight because I was so curious about what would happen next. I felt inspired by Harry's courage and loyalty, and it made me realize that being brave doesn't mean you are not afraid. It means you keep going even when things are different. Firstly, I think books like this, meaningful and inspiring novels, can have a very positive influence on people. On the other hand, they can teach important values like friendship, kindness, and resilience through the character's experience. On the other hand, they can help us escape stress and feel more connected to the world around us. For example, reading Harry Potter helped me feel more confident and motivated in my own life. Finally, reading a book is very different from watching a movie. When you read, you imagine the world and the characters yourself, which makes the experience more personal. Movies can be exciting, but the story is already shown to you, so you don't get the same chance to explore your imagination. So, in conclusion, I think books that inspires us or teaches something important can truly make a difference. They entertain us, teach us values, and sometimes even change the way we see the world. As you see, very high level and very good structured sample. Judayam zo'r sample chiqqan. Um, in the yes, you might be struggling at the first point, but time by time, step by step, you can increase your level to the higher. Endi sekin-sekin harakat qilib, ko'rib, ichlariga ishlasangiz, ancha yaxshi chiqadi. O'shaning uchun mani maslahatim, boshida oson sample tuzib, harakat qilib ko'ring. Lekin struktura larga e'tibor bering. Oddiy qilib javob bersangiz ham, iloji boricha structurega e'tibor bering. Uchta savolga javob berdingizmi, yo'qmi? Vaqtga ulguryapsizmi, yo'qmi? Boya aytganimdek, conclusion berdingizmi? Transitionlardan foydalandingizmi? Qiyin bo'lishi shart emas. Boshlanishiga oddiy qilib boshlasangiz ham bo'ladi. Lekin esingizdan chiqmasin, mana shu 5 ta maslahatlar, like adviceslar esingizda qolsin. And whenever you want to talk in part 2, try to use them. Okay, so everyone, thank you. The video was very useful. If you need any help, you can watch other videos. Part 1, part 2, and part 3. Hamma partlarga videolar olingan. Bugun chuqurroq part 2 ni tushuntirib berdim. I hope it was useful. Um, PDFlar va yanada ko'proq ma'lumotlar olmoqchi bo'lsangiz, you can go to my Telegram channel because we have a lot of tools, materials there. So subscribe to my channel and see you on the next lessons. Bye.